Students, in this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 12th chapter area related to circles, exercise 12.3 8th sum. So the given figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircle. The distance between the inner parallel line segment is 60 meter. So the distance between, so these two are the inner parallel lines. So this distance is given as 60 meter. 60 meter and they are each 106 meter long. So the length of this is, so this will be the length. So that length is given as 106 meter. So like this 4 we will get. So this is also 106. This is also 106. This outer is also 106. If the track is 10 meter wide. So the width of this is given as 10 meter. Width of this track is given as 10 meter. So everywhere it is 10 meter. Here also it is 10 meter. Here also it is 10 meter. This is the width of the track. Okay. Find the distance around the track along its inner rim. Length of BC, length of EH and this semicircular part. That is this BE and then this CH, this semicircular part. So when we add all these things, we will get the answer for the first one. So distance around the track along its inner edge. Along its inner edge is equal to BC, that is the length of BC is 106 meter plus EH, that is also 106 plus this semicircular part. We know that the circumference of the semicircle is 2 pi r. So for semicircle, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Since this is semicircular part, it is 2 pi r, half of 2 pi r, that is pi r. Actually, semicircular part will be like this. So, the circumference of the semicircle will be 2 pi r by 2 plus this distance. That will be the circumference of the semicircle. But here, we don't have that part, that diameter part we don't have. Only this circular part we have. So, that is pi r. Okay. So, like that, here also we have pi r, here also we have pi r. So, the radius is, the diameter is given as 60 meter. So, the radius is 30 meter. Okay. So, pi r plus pi r. Okay. So, BC is, length of BC is 106 meter plus EH is 106 meter plus 22 by 7 into radius is 30 meter plus 22 by 7 into 30. So, this has to be simplified. So, this one will be 212 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 30. So, this is 212 plus 44 into 30 by 7. So, 212 plus 1320 by 7. So, 212 plus, when we divide 1320 by 7. So, 7 ones are 7, 62, 8 sevens are 56, 9 sevens are 63. So, 8 sevens are 56, remaining 60, again one more 8 will come. So, that is also 56, 4 it will come 5 times. So, 188.5. So, when we add this, we get 8 plus 2, 10, 10 again, 400.5 centimeter. So, this is the distance around the track along its inner edge. Okay, so this is the answer for the first one. Now, we will do the second one. So, the second one is the area of the track. So, what will be the area of the track? So, all these things will be the area of the track. So, we are asked to find the area of that track. So, for finding the area of the track, we will divide this given figure as this is a rectangle. So we will find the area of this rectangle. Same way, this is also a rectangular part. We will find the area of this rectangle. Then area of this part into 2. Since we have same thing, we will find the area of this separately. This is how we are going to find. So area of the rectangle into 2 and area of this semicircular part into 2. Okay, so for finding this area of rectangle, we know length into breadth. So length is given as 106 meter and breadth is given as 10 meter. So that we will find into 2, we will get the area of these two rectangular parts. For finding this semicircular part, area of the semicircle, this smaller semicircle and area of the bigger semicircle, when we subtract both, we will get the area of this semicircular part into 2. We will get both the areas and we will add all these 4 parts. We will get the answer. Okay, so first one is area of 2 rectangle. Area of 2 rectangle is equal to 2 into L into B. So that is 2 into length is 106 meter into breadth is 10 meter. So when we multiply all these things, this is 212 into 10. So we'll get 2120 meter square. So this is the area of these 2 rectangles. Then area of semicircle is equal to area of bigger semicircle minus area of smaller semicircle. So area of the bigger semicircle, area of the circle is pi r squared, semicircle is pi r squared by 2. So this is pi r. This is 2 semicircle. We have to find 2 semicircle. So 2 into this part we will get. So 2 into pi r squared by 2. We will take it as capital R squared and small r squared. Pi small r squared by 2. Okay, so this is 2 into pi. Okay, r squared is radius is for the outer one. Here we have 60, here we have 10, here we have 10. So totally it is 80 meter. So radius will be 40 meter. So 40 into 40 by 2 minus pi into radius of this inner part is 60 meter. So by 2 is, that is the diameter. Diameter is 60 meter. So the radius is 30. 30 into 30 by 2. So we'll simplify this. In both these things we have 2. We'll take that 2 and pi as common outside. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 1 by 2. So the balance will be 40 into 40. It is 1600 minus 900. So we'll simplify this. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 22 by 7 into 1600 minus 900 is 700. Okay. So 700 we get 2200. So this is the area of 2 semicircles. 2200 meter square. Okay. So when we add these 2 parts, we will get the area of the track. So therefore, area of track is equal to, area of the track is equal to 2120 plus 2200. We will get it as 4320 meter square. This is the answer. This is the area of the track. Okay.